Hey there folks, Nathan at Slingshot here, and ever since we launched the Scout X, you've been asking us, when is the Scout X Pro coming? Well, today is your day. Here's the Scout X Pro. So like our other Pro series, these are CNC machined from billet aluminum. These guys are stout, they're beautiful, they're chunky, they're nice and heavy. Check out the product description for a weight. But it's exactly the same as the Scout X, except all aluminum. So the scales, the clips, the body, all machined from billet aluminum. Now you're probably asking, can I use my existing plastic scales and clips on the Scout X Pro? Yes, you can. So this is the Scout X Pro body, so the aluminum body with the glow-in-the-dark clips and scales. So if you like to accessorize, you've still got that capacity with the Scout X Pro. Another question we're probably going to be getting from folks is, will the handle weight for the Scout X work in the Pro? The answer to that is yes and no. So the anodizing that we use on the Pro is a very heavy hard anodizing that added a little bit more thickness than we anticipated. So if you want to fit the handle weight into here, which some people like a really heavy slingshot, you certainly can, except you're going to need to use a file or sandpaper to reduce the width of the handle weight itself. So it's just a matter of sanding it down. So if you're handy, that is an option to you. Otherwise, we're sorry that it doesn't fit right out of the package. So Scout X Pro, it bands up just like the Scout X. So if you're worried about how that works, go check out the Scout X Owner's Manual. If you're looking for a heavy, chunky, badass piece of equipment, the Scout X Pro is your choice. So check it out at Slingshot. We're excited to finally offer this one to you. And as always, get out, shoot your slingshot, and share it with a friend.